It was April 4th, 2023. A small tornado outbreak with large tornadoes was bearing down on the U.S. near Lewistown, Illinois, trying to capture epic storm chasing video.
Wow, look at this thing.
But little did he know,
Oh my god! Holy shit!
the storm
Dude!
would capture him.
God! Dude! It's coming right at us! Yeah, this is. Holy shit! We're good, we're good.
It is usually at this moment
Wow.
any experienced storm chaser chooses to leave for a safer location to film. But it appears this storm chaser has made one of the biggest mistakes,
Oh my god!
allowing himself to become mesmerized by the storm.
Oh my god! Alright, this thing's right here. Oh! What? Alright, this thing's real f***ing close. Alright, we gotta move. Gotta move.
At the point, the storm chaser realizes that he has made a grave mistake by leaving too late. He starts to panic and chooses an escape route that is not optimal. It is still unknown whether or not his radar was up to date or if he knew just how close he truly was. Better escape route would have been to go north.
We're close!
But instead, he chose to drive directly into the path of this strengthening tornado.
Oh my god! Alright, we're going back. We're going back. We're going back. I was hit. I made a serious mistake. I am sorry. That's it.
Let's use this as a lesson for all storm chasers to never get so close where you lose your marbles, your train of thought, which forces you to make a mistake like this. Planning ahead before the tornado is close, giving you time for the storm to come towards you with the good escape routes, and leaving before the tornado gets that close, while also chasing from the southeast side instead of in the bear's cage, would have allowed this storm chaser and others capturing great footage from a distance. Thank you for watching.